Hi loves, let's make eggless brownie cookies in just 1 minute. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. In a mixing bowl, put 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of hot water and mix it. Now add pinch of salt and 1/2 tablespoon of stevia blend or any sweetener, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Now add 1 tablespoon of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and just mix it until well combined. So after you mix it, get a plate with parchment paper and put the cookie mixture and flatten it into circle like cookies. So it's better to use spatula so it's more easier to flatten. And this is totally optional. I cut some unsweetened chocolate and chop it and put in the cookie mixture and microwave this for about 1 minute. So after 1 minute, this is ready, but you need it to let it cool in the refrigerator for 1 minute to harden. So this is so good and it's so chocolatey. If you like brownies and cookies, and that's it. I hope this recipe will help you in your keto journey. So thank you and God bless.